Welcome to Standard 12th Chemistry by Sujata Miss, Fatima Convent High School. Unit 4, Chemical Kinetics.
Half-life of a reaction. The half-life of a reaction is the time in which the concentration of a reactant is reduced to one half of its initial concentration. That is, when the concentration of the reactant becomes one half of its initial concentration, it is known as half-life of a reaction. Now it is represented as T half. Now for zero order reaction, we know the rate constant equation. We have already done it. K is equal to concentration of R0 minus concentration of R upon T. Now here T has become T half and R has become half R0, half of the initial concentration. So here in the equation of rate constant for zero order reaction, we can write K is equal to R0 minus, instead of R we can write half R0 upon, instead of T we can write T half. Now on calculating and taking T half to the other side, we get R0 upon, here we will have 2R0 minus R0. When you calculate further, you will get R0 upon 2 and K will come this side. So here you get T half is equal to R0 upon 2K. So again this equation you have to use in numerical. It is clear that T half for a zero order reaction is directly proportional to the initial concentration of the reactants and inversely proportional to the rate constant. Now let us calculate the half-life for first order reaction, that is T half for first order reaction. Now we know the equation for rate constant for the first order reaction is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log concentration of R0 upon concentration of R. Now we know at T half we will have concentration of R is equal to concentration of R0 upon 2. So here we are writing down T half and here we should write R0 upon 2. Now this R0 will get cancelled, so we get log 2. So we get K is equal to 2.303 upon T half into log 2. Now this T half can be taken to left hand side and K can be brought here. Then we get T half is equal to 2.303 upon K into log 2. So here we get T half is equal to 2.303 upon K into the value of log 2 from the log table is 0.301. So on multiplying we get 0.693. So remember this again for numerical, T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. Now remember for zero order reaction, T half is directly proportional to concentration of R0, and for first order reaction T half is independent of concentration of R0. Now table 4.4 summarizes the mathematical features of integrated laws of zero and first order reactions. We have already discussed all this, so go through the table and remember it for MCQs.
Thank you for watching this video and soon come up with the next video.